Good morning students, welcome to online class. Hope you are keeping well by the blessing of God. So students, today I am going to teach you English, and at this moment I am going to teach you from your supplementary book, that is Movements. The previous chapter number 3 from Movements, Iswaran the Storyteller by R.K. Lakshman. Already I taught you this chapter and I have already discussed and narrated the content of the chapter, and it is a rational story of R.K. Lakshman, humorous story also, and he has portrayed the character of Iswaran, a domestic help, in a very nice and outstanding manner. So today actually only some tips I would like to give you on the basis of this chapter, that already in my previous lecture I gave you some questions. Hope you have solved those questions. So today only one thing I would like to discuss. I would like to tell you that if question comes, very short answer type question, who is Iswaran? Then you will answer that we find the character Iswaran in the story Iswaran the Storyteller, written by R.K. Lakshman, and he is the domestic help of Mahendra. So that will be the complete answer. And here today I would like to discuss that if question comes that portrayed the character of Iswaran, then what will you say? Then you will say that, guys, you open your notebook and write the question, portrait the character of Iswaran. Question. So you start writing. Iswaran the domestic help of Mahendra, whom we find in the story, I repeat, Iswaran the domestic help of Mahendra, whom we find in the story Iswaran the Storyteller, within inverted comma, single inverted comma, by R.K. Lakshman. Full stop. Iswaran regulates the entire story. Iswaran regulates the entire story. Full stop. Apart from the household work, means the domestic work, household work, Iswaran has an outstanding ability. Iswaran has an outstanding ability to narrate stories, N-A-R-R-E-T, narrate stories, by applying A-P-P-L-Y-I-N-G, by applying his creative ideas. Full stop. He entertains his master Mahendra when he returns from his office. Full stop. Iswaran enjoys his life himself. Iswaran enjoys his life himself, and he is satisfied and happy with his master. And he is satisfied and happy with his master. Master Mahendra. Then full stop. He is a great entertainer. That means Iswaran. He is a great entertainer. He has, full stop, after full stop, he has an immense skill. He has an immense, IMMENAC, immense skill to present stories blended with BLENDED, blending means mixing, mingled, BLENDED. He has an immense skill to present stories blended with thrill, 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 and horror, HORROR, horror. Full stop. Thus means this is how, THUS, thus, he entertains his master every day. Thus he entertains his master every day. Full stop. The author has presented Iswaran's character. Iswaran's apostrophe is Iswaran's characters in a humorous manner. Full stop. Iswaran is a realistic character. Iswaran is a realistic character because this sort of character we find often in the society. Full stop. So, if question comes, or if you will get the question that portrait the character of Iswaran, then you can write. So, you go through the answer, memorize the answer, already you have noted down. So, it will be one of the important questions based on this chapter. So guys,